On the east side of Detroit, things are a little harder. One mafia enforcer comes to mind. He's 6'3", 200 pounds. His only shortcoming? Really small feet. He wears a size 5 ladies. On the streets, he's known as Frankie Small Dogs, and if you hear that pitter-patter, that's your ass.
Whoa, man. But what's up, man?
Xanadu, man, I am in trouble. They got Frankie Small Dogs on me.
Frankie Small Dog? What you do?
I'm late with my payments, man.
Damn, Frankie Small Dogs. Well, I tell you what, the thing about Frankie is this. First thing you hear is the pitter-patter of little feet. You think, damn, there's some kids around here. Guess what? There ain't no kids. That's your ass.
Man!
You better have some cash on you, man, for Big Lou. Dressed like a gay French burglar there.
You got your gay French burglar.